Hello, I'm Alan Butler, Butler Contracting, where we're doing simple better. Today, we're talking about fence post. And I know there's a few different options out there on the market when it comes to putting in fence post. Specifically, we're going to build a privacy fence is what we're going to talk about today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So you're looking to build a fence in your yard, or you may have already had a fence and you're looking to replace it or upgrade it. So we're going to talk about some different post options that are out there on the market and what might be right for your particular situation. So the first thing that we like to talk about and what not to do is using landscaping timbers as fence posts. Now we see this a lot in building subdivisions, and builders put them in because they're relatively inexpensive. They save on cost. The issue and problem with using a landscaping timber for a fence post is they're really made for a horizontal application, made to go on the ground for landscape bordering and edging and decoration. They're not made to vertically suspend a lot of weight off of them. So when you start putting pickets and rails and all the fence components on that fence system on a landscape timber, they tend to bow and flex and crack and break and cause issues over time. And they also rot out a lot faster than a standard 4x4 treated post would. So I do not recommend using any type of landscaping timber for a fence post. We do see it pretty frequently, so it is the most cost-effective option when it comes to a post for your fence, but I don't recommend it. Option number 2 would be an actual 4x4 treated post. This is very common in most privacy fences. Some of the good things about these 4x4 posts, they are treated lumber, so they're going to last a while, they're going to be durable. You can get cedar as an option as well. They're durable, they're not going to warp as much as a treated post might. Treated fence posts are going to, over time, they might have a little bit of warpage when they start drying out and that weight's pulling on them with gravity. You may see a little bit of warpage with them, but in general, your 4x4 treated posts are going to be structurally sound enough to hold up that standard privacy fence better than a landscaping timber. So that would be another good option. One of the things to consider when you're going with a cedar 4x4 post, sometimes they do encapsulate the post with concrete, so it creates a lot of moisture getting into that wood all the time. It's not treated. It can cause that post to prematurely rot off at the bottom, or start sucking and wicking up moisture, kind of like a straw. We've talked about in other videos on our cedar versus treated fence pickets. And all that moisture getting collected inside that cedar post then causes some type of decay and rot. Also, carbon ants and wood-destroying insects can move into it and kind of bore it all out and rot it out and eat it out from the inside to where the post creates a failure. The next option, aside from wood, would be to go with metal post. This is what we prefer here at Butler Contracting. We strictly pretty much build most of our fences anymore with metal posts specifically. There's very few types and styles of fences that we even install a wood post anymore. There are 2 different types of post. You can go with like a round style post, or what we like to use is called a Postmaster post. They're both good products. The Postmaster post specifically, that has a 15-year structural warranty on it, and it's rated for a 73-mile-an-hour wind. So we like using that product specifically. It makes the fence look a lot nicer, more sleek. We can hide the post in the fence line so you don't see it, unlike the round post. And it comes with structural warranty from the manufacturer, and it's wind rated. The galvanized round post that we also offer, those can't really be concealed or hidden inside the fence. They are real good quality steel. They work real well. They just don't have that same manufacturer warranty or that's high of a wind rating. So that's some differences of a few different types of posts: metal, wood, the different types that are out there available on the market when it comes to privacy fences. So I hope you learned something today about wood versus metal posts, and you can make the best decision for your yard and what you might want to use. I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting, and we'll see you in your next project.